What's good to the tribe, the watchers? I'm not talking about the watchers in the Bible that was sent down and procreated with the daughters of men. I'm talking about these watchers that sit here and watch us today in the air. I know everybody's seeing them all around, but let's get it. May 17th, 3:52 a.m. So I come outside like I usually do at night, and I can see it sitting there low. It's not making a sound. It's watching. But what is it watching for? I try to get a good zoom in on it. But one thing about it, if you ever seen these, when you zoom, it never focuses in. And the video never does it justice how you see it through your own eyes. But it's there. It's not a star. It's not a bright planet. I don't know what it is. Usually, you would hear drones, airplanes, and everything else flying around, I guess checking for people or checking what's going on the streets. But this has no sound. It makes no noise. It just sits there with bright lights, different colors. I keep trying to go back and go back down just to get a little zoom in on something else, so when I go back up, I'll be able to see it. Kind of like focusing in on something else. But one thing you'll notice, the light starts to dim out, and it dims out more and more and more and more. Then all of a sudden I start to get a weird feeling, like it's watching me at this point, because it's no, I'm watching it. The light starts to get dimmer and dimmer. I'm steady trying to go back down to focus on something else because I could barely see it through the camera, even though I could still see it through my eyes. Are you guys seeing this? Are y'all seeing these in your skies? Let me know in the comments. See, one thing about this watcher, I had to stop my camera. It felt like it was getting a little bit lower, and I kind of got a little bit weirded out a little bit. So I sat there for a minute, and while it was dim and it looked like it was dropping down a little bit more, the light all of a sudden gets brighter again. So I start recording again. So this is after it brightens back up. And it's a little bit lower. Light still shining off all around it in different colors. But like I say, my camera can't pick it up. Are they luminaries? Are they UFOs? Are they watchers? Are they government? What are they? Are they from this plane, but the other side? I think soon they'll reveal themselves and let us know what's actually going on. And probably say we've been watching y'all for a while. But make sure you guys, just like tending to nature, you're out at night watching the skies too. Sun gazing and doing so forth and so on.
like it was moving. That's when I zoomed in. And this is not normal whatsoever. This is supernatural. Literally, this is some sort of light leak. There's something definitely going on here. So yeah, I got 2 cameras rolling. I have the P1000.
But make sure you guys take the time out to look up at the skies. Go out at night. Go on your back porch, your front porch, and look in the sky and see what you can see. I want to say this too. I've been getting emails of what people have been catching, and they've been showing me. I want everybody, if you are watching the skies, take a video of it. Send it to me. My emails is in my About section of my channel. Send me the video. I'm thinking about doing a video of everybody's together and just showing all across the world. But make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share. If you're new, hit the notification bell. And I love you guys. Feathers up, tribe up, wise up, rise up.